Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up settings and confirming your lock code because you will change system inputs. Once done, go to Settings, then Languages and Input. This puts you directly where voice typing lives. Make sure you identify the active keyboard. For many phones, that is Gboard or Samsung Keyboard. Tap the Keyboard app now, because the next step is to disable voice typing inside that app. This avoids unnecessary app removals and gets you into the configuration quickly. Inside the keyboard settings, find Voice Typing or Google Voice Typing and turn the toggle off. This stops the keyboard from offering dictation. Next, go to Apps, choose Google or Voice Access, and revoke microphone permission to prevent any background captures. Then, if the keyboard still shows voice icons, change the default keyboard to one that lacks voice features. You can install a lightweight keyboard. These steps remove active triggers and ensure voice input won't reappear after normal typing. After changes, restart the device and test typing in Messages and Notes to confirm voice input is gone. If you still see a mic, clear the keyboard app cache or uninstall its updates to revert problematic behavior, then reconfigure settings. Make sure Assistant Voice Typing is disabled in Assistant Settings too. If nothing works, reset input settings or reinstall the keyboard app. This is rarely needed. Quick troubleshooting tip. Check microphone permission for any app that can inject voice input and recheck toggles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.